In summer, the Outeniqua Mountains that run along South Africa's southern Cape coast are warm, sunny and inviting. In winter things change, and as the cold fronts come rumbling down the coastline, they turn cold, rainy and miserable, snow often falling on the high peaks.
Hi guys, I'm Roger Delahaye.
And I'm Pat.
We're photographers and writers based in South Africa, and we specialize in shooting wildlife, travel, conservation and lodges. A little bit of excitement in the town of George today because we had a cold front come whizzing past last night, and it looks like it's dropped a bit of snow onto the top of the Outeniqua Mountains just outside of town. So we're heading up there to see if we can get to it. We've certainly seen it from our home, and we're going to take a short drive up the mountain on the old historic Montagu Pass.
This poor old toll house has had quite a history, and with the fires that rage through here, it often is burnt down, and as late as October 2018 it was burnt, but they've subsequently rebuilt it, which is phenomenal really.
Oh yeah, and on occasions, weekends, holidays, and when it snows, they open up and serve coffee and pancakes and other bits and pieces.
So this pass is quite interesting in that it was completed in 1840 by an Australian by the name of George Fancourt White.
What a lovely name.
Yes, he sounds quite pompous, eh?
Emergency, I wonder what's happening up there.
Yes, well they waved, so
This is good.
yeah.
And there are no flashing lights, so this is also good.
Anyway, he was assisted by about 250 convicts, and it was completed in the 1840s.
So the pass is how long?
It's only 8 kilometers, and
Yeah, but it goes up 750 meters.
yes, but it's just, I suppose we've done it on our mountain bikes, and it feels like hundreds of kilometers.
Here we're coming up to the old railway bridge.
Nice.
It is. It's beautiful, in spite, or maybe because of the graffiti.
The graffiti, yeah. Well,
And for example, as this corner is called Stinkhout Dry. Now, stinkhout is stinkwood.
Yes.
Is a tree which occurs here. I suppose there must be a grove of stinkwoods here.
apparently there is. There was, and there now still is.
And there still is
A grove.
a grove. So here we are, right up at the top.
absolutely
And
beautiful.
I'm just going to get out and do some pictures.
Okay, well, I'll get out too, of course.
Wonderful.
That's why I'm
And,
here.
but what a lovely trip it has been. Well worth it. We didn't find any snow. We didn't come across any snow on the ground where we were, but certainly up on the peaks you can see it. And very beautiful. Very definitely worth a drive if you're up this way. Anyway, guys, thanks for joining us on this little trip up Montagu Pass. We are going to be doing more of these types of videos, so if you would like, please click the subscribe button, click the little alarm bell so that you get notified of any new videos we put up. And thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.
Bye.